How to enable end-to-end encryption in Facebook Messenger. Now let's get started. Open your Messenger app. Make sure you have already logged into your Messenger account. You will land to the chat section. At the top left corner, you can find 3 bars. Tap on it. Now tap on the settings icon. Now head towards the option of privacy and safety. Over here, you will find different sections. You can find the option of end-to-end encrypted chats. You have to open that option. Now tap on this option of security alerts. Toggle on for this option of contacts key change. After you do that, go back. Now head towards the option of logins. These logins can send and receive end-to-end encrypted messages or calls. These are the devices that you are logged in right now. By tapping on it, in this way you can see the details. So this is how you can easily enable end-to-end encryption in Facebook Messenger. This was really simple and quick process. I hope now you guys are clear about it. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.